Today we'll be building Jasper a new PC, upgrading. He is just taking over his drives from his old PC. His PC is currently running at very unstable high temperature. He decided to spend $2,000 on his new PC to future-proof it for like the next 4 years or until when like 4080 comes out. So during this filming period, I was having a very bad eye infection on my right eye. And now a word from our sponsor!
Alright so guys, so today we're going to be doing a RTX 3070 giveaway.
So starting the parts off, we start with the CPU. We have an i7 10th gen.
And yes, we will be overclocking it.
Oh, it's damn nice. Look at that.
This is a Z490 gaming motherboard that is really good for overclocking.
Okay, first on opening the CPU, we got black.
Alright, so if you guys are interested in seeing a step-by-step build guide of how to build your first custom gaming PC, I will gladly do that in the next video, so just comment it down below. So for this video, it will just be a normal one. Moving on to the RAM, we have a Spectrix D50 16GB kit with 3200 MHz.
Okay.
We'll be installing a Gen 3 NVMe SSD of 500GB. Jasper actually bought this a while back, like at least a year back, but he couldn't install it on his old motherboard because there wasn't an M.2 or PCIe slot for him to install it. Oh yeah, remember to peel that thing off. As for our cooler, we have a Hyper 212 RGB Black Edition by Cooler Master. He's using this temporarily before he custom cools the entire setup. Okay.
Never opened. Never opened.
So, Jasper, tell us about our case.
We got case.
Moving on to our power supply.
Sucks,
and listen to this dude.
His channel dying. Oh my god, look at him borrowing camera because he has no money to charge.
Anyway, we went with a 650 watt fully modular gold rated power supply, which is really good. These are the case fans we'll be using because he's using the same case as me and Squashy, and these are RGB from Deepcool. For the graphics card, we have a big boy, a 3070.
So if you're from Singapore, you're probably thinking how we got a RTX 3070 in this period of time because it's really hard to find one. And I only have one thing to say.
It's my connections, so I'm gonna call the person now that gave me the 3070. Hello?
Yeah?
Can I get another shout out?
What?
What?
No.
Alright so guys, so today we're going to be doing a RTX 3070 giveaway. All you have to do to enter is comment Jasper is gay. Right down below in the comment section, how much do you want this RTX 3080 Ti? And also, how many hours do you spend on a Minecraft crafting table daily? So yeah, 4 years warranty, even though it says 3 years warranty here. It has OC edition, which means like oven cooked. Please buy MSI RTX 2060. It's another box. Hold it. Wonder. Shit! Oh wait, sorry.
If you don't really understand PC parts, a 3070 is 30% stronger than the 2080 Ti, and it is at least $300 cheaper. This is the first on test of the PC. What?
What color? Yeah, green. Pink. Ooh, they're nice.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the parts will be linked in the description if you guys are interested. I know Many of you have said that $1,000 wasn't part of the budget PC, but I will be doing a $500 budget PC next. Hopefully that will be more in the correct budget direction. So comment down below how much time you spend on the Minecraft crafting table, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye.